Hi, this is Judge Herb Dodell. One of the things that we try to do, and we really do it, is follow current events as it relates to legal issues. A few weeks ago, the Supreme Court of the United States, which is going to be a very interesting focus for the next couple of weeks, by the way, decided a case where a bakery decided that they would not make a cake for a gay couple because it violated their personal religious beliefs. And this gay couple resisted it and said, you had a duty. I'm a member of the public. We're a member of the public. And the Supreme Court said no in a 5-4 decision, holding that the baker could refuse to make a special cake for these folks. Now, there's a big difference between making a cake for somebody special versus having a person come into your bakery and buying something off the shelf. I think most people have lost sight that the ruling here was very narrow. And I use the word narrow advisedly because what does it mean by narrow? It means it probably applies only to the particular facts of this case. Among lawyers, and you'll learn it early in law school, cases are what they call distinguished. The system operates by something called stare decisis, meaning you use precedent to decide cases. But most cases are going to have some slight difference, maybe even a big difference, and the lawyer arguing on one side is going to say that the precedent is distinguishable, doesn't apply, and that's referred to as a narrow ruling. But what we're looking at now, and what interests us as somewhat theoreticians and intellects in some way, is how far is this going to go? They could buy the cake in there just like anybody else. It's just that this guy doesn't have to bake something special for them. We're going to get into an issue somewhere along the line as to where do you draw the line. If you don't believe in something, does that mean you can act indiscriminately against anybody that believes differently than you do? That's a big problem. That allows for people to make independent judgments and decisions that can affect everybody else, and it's just based on that particular person's religious proclivities. So keep your eye on that case. That bakery case is going to get cited and is going to be distinguished as time goes by. If you have any questions, call me. You can reach me at askjudgeherb@gmail.com. You can watch the show For the People, available on iHeartRadio Network nationwide. Or you can go to YouTube and watch the show on your own. They're very, very good, even if I have to say so myself.